Why humor is important. What is humor? Humor is the ability to find things funny, the way in which people see that some things are funny, or the quality of being funny. The author, Granville Kleiser, said, "Good humor is a tonic for mind and body. It is the best antidote for anxiety and depression. It is a business asset. It attracts and keeps friends. It lightens human burdens. It is the direct route to serenity and contentment." Humor has a lot of good benefits to us. Studies show that a good sense of humor can improve your overall health, both physical and mental. Also, being a person with a good sense of humor can make you more attractive, especially when you're a man, and it also improves your leadership skills. The American writer, Mark Twain, said, "Humor is mankind's greatest blessing." Humor helps us to be happy and forget about stressful things. Laughter can heal every pain and sadness. Can you imagine life without humor? Life is absolutely boring without it, and the world will just be filled with anxiety and depression. The Danish American, Victor Berge, said, "Laughter is the closest distance between people." Humor helps us to be connected with other people. It brings us closer to each other. When you throw a joke and you make someone laugh, believe me, they'll automatically feel good about you. Humor makes other people like you and gain their trust. I know some of you will ask yourself, what if I'm not funny? What if I don't have a good sense of humor? Will people hate me? Am I still going to have friends? Humor is not inborn, and based on Andrew Tarvin, anyone can learn how to be funny. He said that humor is a skill which can be learned. Start showing your point of view and then explore and heighten that point of view, and then practice, perform and repeat. With constant practice, you'll get better every day, and humor is a choice. He said, "It doesn't matter your age, your income, your perspective, your personality assessment, your senior superlative or your celebrity doppelganger. Anyone can learn to be funnier, and it all starts with a choice. Try to find ways to use humor." So now that you know that being funny is a skill, here are some ways to improve your humor. Number 1, watch comedy shows. In order to be funnier, of course you need to look for inspiration. Watch comedy shows and learn from the comedians' jokes and punchlines. This will be a very good help in improving your skill. Number 2, surround yourself with funny people. Go hang out with people who always laugh and throw jokes. Observe them and learn the things they do to become funny. Hanging out with happy people will surely have a good effect on you. They will make you feel positive and will also increase your humor skill. Number 3, don't insult someone just to be funny. This is one of the greatest rules. Never make fun of someone just to make yourself funny. Yes, it feels great to make everyone laugh, but insulting someone and hurting their feelings is a really bad idea. You can make jokes without being mean to anyone. Remember that. Number 4, smile and laugh more. Look, who will laugh at someone who's very serious? No one. Right? Always smile and be positive so that people can feel that your jokes are great. If you let unhappy thoughts come in your life, nobody will find you funny and nobody will laugh at your jokes. Smile more and laugh more. Number 5, search the net and start with simple jokes. You don't have to be very creative at first. Of course, you'll not master being funny in just one day. Search the internet for simple jokes that make people laugh and then just add some twist on it. By using the internet, you will find millions of funny things. Start with simple jokes. It will be easier for you to create one when you already have an idea. Number 6, don't give up. When you really want to be funnier, make sure that you're not that sensitive to accept criticism. Accept that there will be times that not everyone will always get your joke and will laugh at your jokes. Don't give up when this happens. This is totally normal, and most of the successful comedians experienced it. When you are so sensitive and can't accept situations like this, you'll lose your confidence in making other jokes. Instead of feeling down, make this as motivation in throwing better jokes for the next time. Number 7, keep on practicing. Practice makes perfect. When you really want to be funnier and to improve your humor, you must not stop practicing. The more you practice your jokes, your stories and your timing, the funnier you will be. Being funny is a really good advantage. When you're funny, you'll gain more friends, and that's a fact. When you're funny, no matter how you look, you're more attractive. Having a good sense of humor makes you a very positive person. Making someone laugh is a very great feeling. By being funny, you can save someone from sadness. Laughter is the best medicine. Make someone smile today.